Hi guys, I'm Mohammed Islam and welcome to my YouTube channel. From this video of this playlist, I will be discussing some string operations of Python. Okay, now in this video, I'm going to discuss about slicing of string. Okay, isn't it interesting? Now let's see. Okay, first of all, what can you do by slicing a string? You can return a range of characters by using the slice syntax. Now let's see with code. Okay, now you see I have opened my Google Colab and in my code snippet I have written two lines of code. Okay, I have assigned a variable which is value is hello world. Okay, in the next line I have print something. Okay, now suppose in this variable which value is hello world, I want to just print three letters. Okay, not just hold the string. I just want to print the three letters which is L, L, O. I just want to print these three letters. Now how can I do that? I don't want to print the whole string. Okay, we can simply use string slicing over here. How can we do that? Okay, so before doing that we need to understand the string indexing first. Okay, we first need to calculate the number of the index of those three letters. Okay, you see H is 0, E is 1 and L is 2. That means our desired letters is started from 2. Okay, 2, 3, 4. These three letters, this three index is located with L, L, O, right? Okay, now how can we extract that? We will write simply 2 colon 5. Okay, 2 colon 5. That means you will see this 5, that means this 5 in you have to understand this carefully. First of all, this 5 is not included. Okay, whenever we are writing this, okay, first of all let me execute it. That you see LLO is printed. Okay, what will compilers do over here is, first of all you will search for the 2 index. Okay, it will start H is 0, E is 1, L is 2. Okay, so it will start from 2. It printed L. Okay, at the next it will be printing 3. Okay, that means the second L, and the fourth index is O. Okay, the fourth index is O, which will be printed, and 5 index is comma. But whenever you are using this string slicing, the last index will not be printed. That means I have written 2 colon 5. That means it will be printed from 2 to 4. Okay, it will not print 5 number of index. Okay, it will not print index 5. Understand that? You have to first of all calculate the index 5 before using string slicing. Suppose you want to maybe you want to print these three letters WOR. Okay, now what will you do? We have to first calculate the index of these three letters. Okay, now let's calculate 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. W is start with 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we will be printing, we will be writing 7 is to 7 colon 10. What will be? It will be printing WOR. W is 7, O is 8, R is 9, and L will not be printed because it is the last index, and the last index of string slicing will not be printed. Understand? Okay, now the next part, you can print a string from the beginning to a specified index. Okay, suppose in here I have written like that. That means this string will be printed from beginning to index 5. Mark my word, in here also the number 5 is not included. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or from 0 to 4 index it will be printed. If you want to print the comma also, you have to specify this index, that then it will be printing the comma. Okay, now what will, if you want to print and string to the end from a specified index, suppose after this comma I want to print this string. Okay, now then I will type right like this. Okay, see WORLD. After this comma the whole thing is printed. You understood? Okay, now there is another concept of the string. in Python you can negatively index, okay, you can negatively represent the index of a string. That means, you see, let's print that. What is printed? ORL. Now, okay, let me explain that. Okay, whenever you are representing the string in a negative way, okay, first of all you have to understand, just understand the syntax. It will be printing -5 to -2. Now where is -5 and where is -2? Okay, now we have to count it from the last. Okay, this, what do I say, this symbol is -1. Okay, whenever you are using negative index, it will not be starting from 0, it will start from -1. Okay, so this will be -1 index, this D will be -2 index, this L will be -3 index, R will be -4, and O will be -5. That means that means the -5 is included, so O will be printed. After that O will be printed, which is -4. After that -3 will be printed, okay, which is L, and after that -2 will come, which is not included, so L will be not printed. If you want to print L, then if you have to reduce the index, you have to set it as -1 there. Okay, okay, so then the D will be automatically printed, because you see -1 is this symbol, okay, this is -2, so our string will be printed from -5 to -1, -2 actually, because -1 is not included. Okay, understood? And if you want to print it all of the, then you can write it also. Okay, from -5 you have printed all of the letters. Understood? Okay, thanks for watching my video. I hope you have enjoyed this and understood all of the things which I have covered in this video. Stay tuned, because I will be giving more lectures on this particular string topic. Thanks for watching.